everybody! You may not recognize me in this crazy disguise, but this is Alexa, the speech-language pathologist from Charlotte Speech and Hearing. Thank you so much for joining us for our Hallo-Read event. Today I'm going to be reading Little Blue Truck's Halloween, and I love this book because it's full of spooky characters and great rhyming words. See if you can figure them all out. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says the Little Blue Truck. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the teeniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. A dragon's head and dragon's wings. Who's that wearing these dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse, it's me, it's me. Croak, says the toad, there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off comes the sheet, it's you know who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo. But wait, there's one more animal hiding under this hat. Who could it be? It's me, the cat. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we hope to see you again next week on Friday for our Hallo-Read event. Bye, guys.